Energy is something that biology has been doing very successfully for many billions of years, and in fact it underpins the whole notion of an effective biological system on the planet. And so the many ways in which organisms have learned to tap into natural energy sources and develop those to overcome temporarily thermodynamics in order to accomplish the kinds of processes that they need in order to sustain themselves is something that we can learn a great deal from. The huge diversity in the way that organisms approach this fundamental need for energy and how to process it and how to package it out in the most efficient way is something that we can at least be inspired by, even if we don't want to slavishly copy the way they do this. Well, early on in our history as a species, we learned to burn wood and cook food. And so that's a very early example of our application of biological materials to the production of energy, because presumably our ancestors had observed that things burn in nature from natural ignition sources, and they learned to tame that technology in order to turn on this kind of payback from a biological storage, namely wood, and to recuperate that energy on the other end. And as I understand it from the anthropological literature, the cooking of food is one of the very important ingredients that allowed us to develop in the way that we have as a species.